How to hide TikTok videos from everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on TikTok, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile, it will take you to the profile section of your account on TikTok. Now, simply select on the video that you'd want to hide. Let's select on a video over here. So let's just wait for a few seconds and let us just tap on the video over here. And as we tap on a video, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So I'm going to select on a video over here first of all that I would want to hide from my profile. So let's just select on it over here. And as I select on it, what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines at the right side of the screen. As you tap on the three dotted lines, you can see there are different options over here. You can download it, edit the post, privacy settings, or delete. So one of the ways what you can do is you can simply delete it and it will be removed from your profile. Next, what you can do is simply tap on privacy settings and then select on who can see this post, and under this you can simply select on only you. And as you do that, you'll be able to hide this particular account or this particular post or video from everyone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.